Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own character on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and if we want to create a character, we need character builder app on Canva. So first of all guys, we can go to the apps menu, and then we're going to go to the search bar and then search for character builder. And then you can choose this one. We're going to use this app to create our own character. And here you can choose the head for your character. You can click on see all to see all the type. And for me, I'm just going to choose this one for the head. Okay, and then I'm going to go back and choose the body. For the body, I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back and I'm going to choose the face. I'm just going to choose this one, right? And go back, and then we can change the skin tone like this and change the hair color. Okay, I'm just going to select black, and this is the result. As you can see guys, that a character has been created. Okay, and that's all the way to create your own character on Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.